Hello everyone, how are you? Well guys, in this video I'm going to unbox Ant audio headphone with Bluetooth and other features as well. This is the box today I got from Amazon, right? So this is a big box. It's looking like something bigger in this. Let's see how it's going to be. So I'm going to unveil this, but before that, welcome you all to my channel. Subscribe this channel, share this video, like this video, and of course don't forget to hit the bell icon so that whenever I will upload any of the video you will get notified, right? So let me unveil it by just cutting this, and then let me cut it out, and once I will cut it I will come back with you. So you can see I just cut it and the things are like, oh my god, oh man, keep it aside. This is Ontario extra best product, wireless version 4.2, wireless wins 10 meter, 40 mm drivers, 64 ohm impedance, 300 mAh battery, music and talk time, right? This is the first impression. It's looking very it's looking very nice. I mean, it's looking like some good stuff inside the box, right? So let's see how it's going to be, how to unveil it. From here it is the things are like, now this is, now you can see this is Ant audio Bluetooth. You can see it's looking very decent, it's looking very raw, it's looking very stylish. Let's see how it's going to be, how it's going to sound, sound and all that's really matter. Apart from look, it does matter, but apart from sound, that is the best, that is something what matters a lot apart from any other thing, isn't it? So you can see I opened it, and this is going to be, there we go, this is the headphone, and well, here it is. This is USB cable. What else? Nothing. This is T. This too. Here it is. Here we go. This and it's looking good. Yeah, it is something that's very natural. Earlier I had Sony, but Sony, it was just like hardly 1.5 years. It's not working. Its Bluetooth is not coming properly, it's not sounding, it's not connecting actually. This is so Sony stuffs are costlier, at the same time they don't go long way. I mean, they don't go for the longer period of time. It's always, you will find some sorts of problem in Sony products, despite of we all aware of how costly Sony products are, right? So let me unveil this cap, then only I can wear it. Let me do this. Finally I took off my cap. Now I need to I need to more concise this. It's going good, it's going good. Let me connect this with my laptop, and now after that I can share my experience, how it's going, is sounding good or bad, how it is actually. Let me do this. Well, one thing is that this Ant audio, this card is given and all, and this warranty card is given. You can see this warranty card. So this is something what I have to keep it very nicely, then only I can, if any of the situation is coming that is not good for me, I mean, if I am finding any sorts of problem, then I can claim for it, and he or she can do anything. Otherwise it's going to be troublesome for me to apply for it or claim to like to change, or if I'm getting any sorts of problem regarding this, right? So let me connect. Well, one thing before to connect, you can see this like, okay, it's not that soft. I mean, I saw one or two reviews of it. It was like looking very decent, but it's not that decent here. This is okay. It's fine. It's not that soft, but Sony leather was very soft. It was really very pleasant, right? Here you can see this power button, plus minus aux cable. So slot is aux cable, for aux cable this hole is given for charging, to blink here I think. What else? On audio is like written here, left right, as you can see, right and left is given. So this is good. I mean, apart from this, nothing else is given here. Well, you can't insert micro SD card here. So, well, micro SD card, I don't think so in this generation required, because we usually go with, I mean, Bluetooth and songs, YouTube, and so many ways apart from this. So this is something what, but it's required. Nobody knows when it needs to be, right? So this is the thing. Looks is okay, not bad. It's not bad. It's looking okay, kind of. So this is the thing, bro. Okay, let me connect to Bluetooth. Well, you can see, light is blinking, blue color is blinking. This means Bluetooth is on. Let me connect this with my laptop. And now and audio Treble 500 is showing. Let's see. Just wait for 1 second. It's connecting, bro. So it's taking time. Now it's coming. Sound is coming. Right. ਨੂਰ ਦੇਖ ਕੇ ਅੱਖਾਂ ਦਾ, ਨੂਰ ਦੇਖ ਕੇ ਅੱਖੀਆਂ 'ਚ ਹੰਝੂਰ ਉੱਡ ਗਏ। Well, as of now it's sounding good. I mean, it's not bad. It sounds very clear in maximum volume. It's not like, it's like hazy sound. It's coming natural. It's coming good. As of now, it's just like, I mean, right now I just started. Let's see how it's going to be later on. And as of now, you can go with it. I mean, for this range, it's रंग वेख के पानी दा देख के अनीदा रंग देख के किया जो हंजूर उड़ गए. So okay, I have given the link of this Ant audio Bluetooth with the speaker. There's no FM in it, so I have given the link. You can purchase from the link and use it. And I think in 1000 ring, this is one of the finest. I have not experienced all the, but after researching this or that, and I saw one or two videos as well, no doubt about it. So I felt this is something good to purchase, and finally I purchased it. And I would say go for it if you want to, because this is something what I think in this range I think this is fine. And Jabronics and 1 2 are also if you don't want to purchase this, then I would recommend you to go for the Jabronics. As far as reviews are concerned, Jabronics reviews given. So well, I have given the link in the description of from there you can purchase this. And let me enjoy one more second. तेनू होगा okay, so this is me signing off. I hope you thoroughly enjoy this. You thoroughly enjoy it. Hit the like button, subscription, share, spirit, and of course don't forget to hit the notification so that whenever I will upload any of the video you will get notified. And don't forget, if you want to purchase, I have given the link in the description box. From there you can too purchase this and enjoy as like right now I'm enjoying, right? So this is me signing off from this video. Have a great day. One more time, I would like to entertain you.